Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 17.0.1 overheating warning issue on iPhone after iOS 17.0.1 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you should restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is disable unnecessary widgets to save battery on your iPhone. So guys, if you have any unnecessary widgets on like in the left screen like this the so guys, if you have any widgets on your home screen, so remove all the unnecessary widgets from here, and then after this the next solution is enable low power mode on your iPhone. So for this, good settings, scroll down, tap on battery, tap to turn on low power mode, and then after this, the next solution is disable raise to wake on iPhone. So for this, good settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down. So here is the raise to wake option. So tap to disable it, and then after this, the next solution is reset all settings to improve your iPhone. So go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer, reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings. So this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply reset all settings your iPhone. We'll go back now. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone iOS 17.0.1 overheating warning issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.